Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the ATEC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered memory module, specifically designed as a replacement for the Kingston KTL TS43264G. If you're looking to boost your server's performance, this might be exactly what you need. This memory module boasts a capacity of 64 gigabytes, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600R. It's a DDR4 DMM with 288 pins, and being in RDIMM, ECC registered DMM, it ensures data integrity, which is crucial for server applications. The 2RX4 configuration, dual rank X4, further enhances performance. It operates at a standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2 V. Now, it's important to note that this is ECC registered memory. This means it's specifically designed for servers and workstations that support ECC registered memory. It will not work in typical desktop or laptop systems that use non-ECC unbuffered memory. Always double-check your system's manual to ensure compatibility before purchasing. The key benefit here is a significant boost in your system's performance. With 64 gigabytes of RAM, you can expect faster loading speeds and smoother multitasking, especially when running memory-intensive applications or virtual machines. This upgrade can really breathe new life into your server, allowing it to handle heavier workloads with ease. ATEC also offers a lifetime warranty on this memory module, which is a huge plus. It shows confidence in their product quality and provides peace of mind for the buyer. They also provide complimentary US-based tech support, which can be invaluable if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. Installation is generally straightforward, but again, refer to your system's manual for proper memory seating and channel guidelines. Ensuring correct installation is critical for optimal performance and stability. In conclusion, the ATEC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered memory module is a solid choice for upgrading compatible servers and workstations. The high capacity, error correction, and lifetime warranty make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking to improve their system's performance and reliability. Just remember to verify compatibility with your system before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.